Now it's time to start to go into details. We need to talk about a process. Now that you decided which kind of videos you want to do, then you need to set up your process. With that I mean that you need to choose and set up the equipment that you need to record your videos. Then you need to choose and set up the software tools, those tools that you need to capture the videos if you are capturing videos from your computer, or you need to purchase software to capture your videos from your camera and save on your computer, and software to edit your videos, and software to edit your audio. Then you need to write down your idea and define your content. This is your video scripting phase. Then you need to retrieve images, audios, and media. Those will enrich and power your videos, and when you edit your videos, you will include all these medias into your videos and create amazing presentations. Then you need to prepare your content and presentations. You have everything now. You have your script, you have your media, you have your videos, you have your package now. You can prepare your presentation. Then you execute the presentation and capture your videos. You will edit your capture video now. Now you have the equipment, you have additional media, you have your script, you capture your video. Now you put all together and you edit your capture video, adding images and other content. At the end you will produce your video and you're ready to market your video. What's next then? Well, if you're producing marketing videos, then you need to upload your video to your server and syndicate your videos to YouTube and other social networks. Then you will create the web page for your streaming video. If you want, you can have your video on your web pages, in your website, or in your websites, and you will create the video player, the video message, and you put them all together on your web page. Or you may have video products or video tutorials. Then you upload your video to your server, you create a web page for your streaming video, or you manufacture your product. We're talking about online products or e-learning platforms or online courses, or physical products like CD and DVDs. In the case of physical product, to manufacture a product you need to purchase discs and covers. You need to burn your disc, you need to print the disc cover, you need to print the disc, you need to include the documentation, and you need to assemble the package. So basically you need to do a product management work. You need to manage your product from the creation to the assemble, to the manufacturing, and to the shipping phase. In fact, at the end you will ship your product. I will teach you also how to do this without moving any finger, but using existing services. You need only to outsource. Of course, what I said to you today is of course for you an overview, but you may outsource a lot of this task, because to be successful on a business, the leverage concept is very important. You need to leverage your work. You cannot do everything. You need to become an entrepreneur at a certain point. You have to be a project manager, a product manager, and then just to know which activities and tasks you need to do, and delegate others to do these activities for you. Let's see the hardware tools. Basically, you have your computer, your laptop, or whatever, and to capture a video, you need a webcam that is connected to your computer. Or you may connect a video camera to your computer, or just extract the content from the memory card and the camera and upload the files to your laptop. You may do this using a USB cable, connecting your camera to your computer and download it, the video files, or even you can use a memory card or another USB pen. Then you need a microphone. It has to be connected to your computer as well for your voice over. Let's see the software tools to produce videos. First of all, if you're capturing your videos on your computer, you need video capturing tools. The most popular is TextMeet. Camtasia have TextMeet to capture videos. Of course, they are premium products. They are a bit expensive, but they are valuable products. Then there is CamStudio, that is an open source tool that you can use when you start off. If you don't have a budget for that, you can use this tool that is free to use. I started my business exactly with this tool. You can do the same. Then you may need to edit your audio, and the amazing tool Audacity, it's a free tool, is the best solution for what you are looking for. I will show you during this course the power of Audacity for your audio. If you don't want to stop to Camtasia or CamStudio, you may find other information on the internet. Okay, I give you some suggestions. Of course, these are not my suggestions because I didn't test all these tools, but you may have a look. Okay, you just type, for example, the top 10 best screen recording software for Windows or for Mac or for both. You will find some solutions, or will find amazing articles. Like, for example, there is Ice Cream Screen Recorder. Okay, icecreammaps.com. They have a free version and a premium version, of course. But here there is a free download. You upgrade to Pro, so you can try this if you want. You know, you may say, I want to start off and then I will have a free download and then I upgrade to Pro another time. Okay. There is also Active Presenter. It's another one. Okay. And you can use this by Active Presenter by atomisystems.com. Okay. It's a free tool. CamStudio we saw. It's a free tool. Snagit. TextMeet. Snagit is a premium one. It's also awesome. Then we have EZVid. It's a free tool. EZVid. Okay. Jing. Webinaria. Webinaria is also open source. Okay. Webinar.com. Camtasia Studio, it's a premium product. I already talked about this. You will see more in the course. Then you have others like Real Steam Screen Recorder is a free tool. Okay. Just you go to this website, sketchman-studio.com/realsteam-screen-recorder, or ScreenR. It's a free tool. ScreenR, that's ScreenR.com. Then you need a software to edit your video. And if you're using Camtasia already to capture your videos, then you're fine. Cam Studio is not enough. If you're only doing video editing because you are taking video files from a camera or from existing sources, so you didn't need to capture your video, you already have a video file, then you need only to edit, or you use Cam Studio only and you need to edit. In these cases, then there are many opportunity for video editing that are not as expensive as Camtasia, and some of them are already listed on the internet. If you can go to the internet and look for the best video editing software for 2015, 2016, etc., you will find everything. So I don't want to spend a lot of time about this because you can find that alone. But it's important to know that video capturing software and video editing software are separate. You may need both. You may find a solution for both, like Camtasia Studio, or you may find separate tool like Cam Studio only for capturing, and for example Cyberlink Power Director for editing, or Pinnacle Studio. Pinnacle Studio was the tool that I was using a lot in the last 20 years. It's an amazing tool. Now there are a lot of other tools. Also Adobe Premiere is amazing. And at the time of this recording, Cyberlink Power Director is suggested